What's up, YouTube? Before we get into today's video, it is sponsored by EntrepreNEWher Essentials. The company sells mink eyelashes, Brazilian hair, and sunglasses. As you can see in the video, these are some of the satisfied customers who have bought from the company. If you are interested in buying any products in the video, information will be in the description box down below for you to order now. And when you do, tell the owner we sent you. Also, there are chances for you to enter in the company's free giveaways, as well as you need to follow the social media as well, because there are exclusive deals throughout the year that you don't want to miss. So you guys have a great day. Right now we somewhere we can't tell you what. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see. That's why we quiet, cause we in a quiet office. So y'all just have to stay tuned. Got a little surprise for y'all. So yeah, I'm getting back to posting videos for y'all. I know I've been gone lately and stuff, but I'm gonna be back real soon with more videos for y'all. She will too. And we got a couples channel coming soon too, so stay on the lookout for that as well. We'll let y'all know when that channel is fully made and stuff, so y'all subscribe and watch our first ever video for that channel. But yeah, we got a lot of big things coming for y'all, so y'all definitely got to stay tuned and watch our channels and stuff. And like I said, it's a big surprise. Y'all just gonna have to wait and see.
Go subscribe to my channel too.
Put her channel link in the description box down below. But if you ain't seen my last video, go check it out. It's also, her channel link is in that video's description as well, so make sure you go check it out.
What's up, y'all?
What's up, man? I'm doing a little what? But this is basically a mini vlog and plus a mini mukbang too as well. We got Jack in the Box right now. As you see, got the large drinks. Jack in the Box shit. For y'all that don't mix y'all drinks, need to try it. You'll be surprised at what flavors you can make. But we got a surprise for y'all. Like I said earlier in this video, you probably figured out by now where we was at and stuff. But yeah, if y'all don't, and y'all find out eventually, we just want to stay tuned and keep watching our channels and subscribe, man. Be on the lookout for new videos and stuff. And sorry I've been late. I've been like gone from YouTube for a little while. I've been busy and stuff, taking care of business and stuff, but I'm finna be back uploading videos for you guys. Yeah, that too. So yeah, y'all gonna be seeing her a lot more. If y'all haven't seen the last video, y'all need to go stop this video right now. Go see our last video on my channel and stuff. And also, her channel link will be in the description box down below as well. Our food.
When I walk up.
Well, we got our food. Get, baby, ketchup. Get ketchup. But yeah, baby, the food right now. Usually she sits on the inside. I sat on the inside this time for whatever reason. But usually I be always getting the food and stuff. But baby got it today this time. Thank you.
Ooh, might have to share the nuggets because low-key them was just so good. Enjoy my sauce.
Don't you hate when it's that one person that always you get something completely different but want to eat your food? No, I'm just playing. We all eating each other's food though, so it is what it is though.
Nuh-uh, that's hot sauce. You want ketchup?
Yeah, I told you ketchup, man.
Real fun. Just because the camera on don't mean shit.
Like I don't be fighting her. What? Oh, so that was hurt.
curly fries be smack. And they ranch good as hell.
But for y'all that's been wondering where I've been, this is where I've been at. This is what I've been doing. Busy with her. Working and stuff, taking care of little situations going on. But yeah, everything so far is good though.
You should have let me get mine first. Y'all, look what type of person he is. Who the fuck? Comment below if you do that. Or comment below if you don't do that shit. Because that's
if you don't, you a liar.
Look, nah.
Everybody at least one
if
time
you
in their
this
life
type
had
of person, a dipper,
you can have this shit.
like the video.
Buttermilk hot sauce.
If you this type, comment. Let me know.
Well, it should be all of y'all. Y'all know y'all is.
I'm a normal person. I dip shit. I think this is. I wish y'all just some hell she did. Funny as hell. But you want to talk to them a little bit? Let them know who you is. For y'all that don't know who I am, I'm Maya. Also known as Mimi. I be dancing every time I eat.
Stay happy when she eat food and shit. But that's how a lot of females is. They be happy as hell when they get food.
Thick body ass. Why you say food like I was talking about you? You ever had these? Curly fries, they like.
They got curly fry.
These was as good as.
Like the regular fry. It's just because the curly fry got more like seasoning in it.
That's what I like. I like all type of fries. No.
Oh yeah, for her food, she got 4 tacos.
For y'all that don't know, I'm Filipino. Half Filipino, half black. I eat everything.
Everything.
I'm not a picky
Everything
person.
hot or nasty looking. She eat.
I love hot food.
Hot food, I don't really care for hot food. It's alright.
I love hot food.
I can tolerate it, it's just I don't like it.
I have to eat like almost everything with some damn hot sauce.
What's that, what?
I said I have to eat like almost everything with hot sauce.
So you want it alone. Like, carry some hot sauce in your bag if you wanted to.
I might take these damn little sauces. Not even on no funny shit. Like real life.
Oh, they got those in the refrigerator. We ain't doing too much though. We finna get ready to go back home after we finish eating Walking Dead. And yeah, we live together now, so something new.
Technically.
If y'all was here from the start, y'all would know she isn't the first girl I ever lived with. But for those of y'all that's new, technically she is.
I'll read it first and last.
Definitely last. Like I said, I don't want to spoil it. I want to tell y'all so bad what's going on, but
I got this boy on lock.
literally, like, she ain't going nowhere, and she don't want to either. I don't want to.
He ain't going nowhere. I already know.
She the type to try to chase me down and beat me. Try to beat me. She can chase me down though. I'm just pumping her head though. She ain't gonna be able to beat me no matter what, but she can chase me down. She can do that.
I'm the type to shoot you in the kneecaps. So is my family, so. Yeah, tell them about that.
About what? Bitch out of my mouth.
You meeting my so recently today he met my grandparents who I live with.
But one of them was only full Filipino and the other was white.
Y'all see, I'll probably do a Thanksgiving vlog where, you know, my whole family get together.
Like I said, this video she'll edit her way. She'll edit the video her way and post this on her channel as well. So don't forget to check out her video as well. She has her own channel. Right now she got one video up on there. And the last video that's on my channel is a reaction to that video. So y'all definitely gotta go check it out. It's a banger. This. You said it's at 400? That's good.
Or like 360. It's up there.
My video be taking time to cook. Or is it hot and ready?
I just got clout to my name. I'm a very outgoing person and shit. A lot of people know me. And for y'all, I don't know. We're still out here in Arizona. I'm a messy ass eater too.
Drop some up. Okay.
It's a little slurp.
Yeah, y'all know how strong Pop is when you crying and shit. Damn.
Nah, he not crying because of that. He crying because I low-key just punched him.
Why you lie like that on camera? Don't let her fool y'all though. She know what it is.
But you know, shit, what should we talk about on here?
Yeah.
Thank you.
We got a lot of future stuff coming up, like videos as far as traveling and stuff. But we definitely trying to go to California and Las Vegas and stuff like that. It's just, we don't know when yet because, you know, that's the reason why we're doing too much traveling right now. But we're just getting a lot of stuff situated right now, so we ain't really worried about traveling right now because that's the least of our
We gotta get financially stable first.
Yeah, and take care of other stuff and be straight. Stuff like that. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff coming on soon. Like I said, I want to find out what the surprise is. You gotta stay tuned. I mean, you gotta watch every video. You never know, you might hear something new every video or every other video. You never know. shit good as hell. I ain't gonna lie though, it's pop and fries got me food and chicken and nuggets.
Oh wow, for 4 tacos, it was only $2.59. That's a good price because I love these things. These things bomb as hell to me.
Yeah, they decent.
We went to church today. There's some clips that might be in the video or my video.
You know, y'all be able to see more. Like I said, she gonna do her video different. So y'all gotta watch her channel. Like I said, don't just watch mine. Cause mine ain't gonna probably be like hers. But yeah, church was real nice. It's way different than back at home because out here they got money. But overall, I like the service though. I like it. It was cool.
So basically, explain where you're from.
I'm from Illinois. For y'all that don't know, all the way from Joliet, Illinois. I was born in Chicago, but raised in another little city like 45 minutes away from there. But that's where I'm from. So far, I didn't live in Ohio, and now I live out here.
That girl that complimented me, it's getting to me.
Cause she always be thinking her makeup and stuff don't be looking right when it do.
I thought I looked busted today in the face. My body looked good. It's fit.
Anyway, before she gassed herself up to death, but you tell them about yourself. I told them where I'm from, so people don't get to know you on my show.
I was born and raised in Arizona. Constant question that I get asked is what I'm mixed with. I already told y'all. I'm half black, half Filipino. Shit. I got hella siblings, but I'm only close with 3 of them.
But what I like about out here, it's a lot more to do. Like, you're able to go anywhere, not have problems. You're running into somebody 24/7 that you might know. Back at home, you run into anybody, everybody. You gonna run into your ops. It's crazy. Out here, you're less likely to unless you be going to the parties and shit like that all the time.
Speaking of parties, how did we meet?
No, I'm just playing, but yeah, we met at a party.
Honestly,
But
look,
we ain't even really talked.
yeah, this how it. Honestly, okay, when we get back to the house, let's just like make a whole new video on how we met.
Yeah, we gonna set that for later, but yeah, we didn't really talk the first time. Let me just tell y'all that part. We didn't talk at the first party we saw each other at. Like,
Or the second one.
but
I was fucked up. I was zooted. I mean, I was trying to conversate with him, but when I'm zooted, I be getting off guard so fast.
But like we said, it's gonna be another video of how we met and stuff, like how we came to where we at now and everything like that. So you guys definitely stay tuned. I thought you ate all your tacos.
I did. I low-key want more.
I got a little happy soul. That's your favorite dance. Yeah. Cause you always do that face when you doing the dance.
Which one?
I'm gonna show you in a minute. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna show you. Because it's on Instagram.
Which one?
Like, that's how your face be. You gotta make the same exact face before you start dancing and shit. And the crazy thing is, we look like babies. People still think to this day, I'm 16.
He gonna be getting carded hella.
I'm gonna get carded for the rest of my life until
Okay, I
I'm 40.
want 2 more tacos, babe.
Cause
Do you have loose dollars?
20.
You don't have loose dollars? You don't have bills?
Plus, you can't overdo it now.
Who said I'm overdoing it?
Every day since last week,
You do know
I've been taking her.
extra.
Yeah, but every day she always say, "You all give me fast food. I can't be eating too much fast food."
But you know what? I'm hungry. What I eat today? 2 fucking taquitos? Not even 2, because you wanted to take the other half. I ain't eat no breakfast. Yeah, you know I need to be eating hellas, not even hellas, but extra.
And if y'all ain't get the hint yet, then you should know by now. If not, then you just slow. You slow. Y'all should have been got the hint by now.
So, no, is that a no? You're not getting me no other 2 tacos?
I'll see.
Screenshot that shit. Make that shit a stick.
Got anything else you want to tell them that they don't know?
About what?
Anything.
That I want 2 more fucking tacos. Edge video probably coming soon, I'm sure. Everybody always asks me. There's nothing else I want to tell y'all. I get the usual same questions every single time. But yeah. We're just gonna close this video out. So subscribe, like, comment, fuck with his videos.
And hers, go check her videos out too. Her channel link will be in the description box down below. Oh yeah. She got let alone. Peace. See, that was a lame ass ending for me.
Peace.
The reason I ain't talking so much is I'm still getting used to recording in public. I rarely record in public. That's why I'm kind of not really saying much and stuff like that. But eventually I will.
This boy still got a
used
whole
to
ass
it.
burger left. You full, huh?
I'm saving this mug. But yeah, I just gotta get used to recording in public and stuff like that. But when I do get used to it, I'm gonna be a better live with BME art, real Rico, I mean.
Right. Because, you know, like, I'm a 100 ass person, and I told his ass, you know what, your videos is boring. But he understand that, and he didn't take it to heart.
I don't
He
take
started
nothing to
to
heart from
improve.
anybody.
He started to improve.
I don't take nothing to heart from anybody. I know what it
He
is.
started to improve, and he know what's up. Why the fuck you turn like that?
Because I can do what I want to do, like. I hurt your feelings. That's why you made that face.
What face?
The face you made right now.
What? You be talking about I make this one face that he just can't say no to. I don't fucking know what face. Like, I don't know.
Definitely mix your drinks, people. Fire.
I definitely got a big ass forehead.
I do too, shit. I got that NBA young boy.
But I definitely got a lot of hair. See, look what's going on.
Malfunction on camera. She lost an earring, dog.
Yee, my nipple. You gonna have to blur that out.
Or I'm gonna just edit that part out. Anyway, yeah, this is the end of this video though. Finna get ready to go. Food now. We got a whole burger left. I ain't even eat it. She ate all her food. I had more food than her. Though. I ate like 10 nuggets.
Hungry. Gotta feed his beep. Beep.
You gave it away.
Beep.
You gave it away.
Gotta feed his baby. I'm his baby. Anyway.
That was low-key smooth, but still, you gave it away. But if you still ain't figured it out, now you just completely out of the. You gotta go get some help, something, because she gave it away multiple times
My
throughout this
hook
video.
earring is so on fire.
I low-key just was reaching for it one time. I ain't never figured it out.
That side.
But yeah, y'all should know by now what she talking about. But this is this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you're brand new.